One wrong move on site can be dangerous. Do you really understand what your boss says? Let's learn his instructions and what they mean. Listen carefully. Pay close attention to my words. Follow my lead. Copy what I do and work in the same way. Wait here until I say. Stay in this spot. Don't move until I give permission. Move those tools to the left. Pick up the tools and place them on the left. Stop right now. Stop working immediately. Do nothing until told. Double check your work. Check your job again to make sure it's correct. These short orders keep the site safe. Practice them and you'll follow instructions with no mistakes. Follow me for more real job site English.